my name is Andrea Ansel, and I'm the Director of Design here at FTD. Today I'm going to show you how to make the standard version of watermelon punch. No, not your favorite refreshing summertime drink, the beautiful bouquet that's part of our spring collection. This arrangement is meant to have a tight design, meaning there shouldn't be much space between flowers, which complements the way deep purples and light pinks flow throughout, creating beautiful contrast and movement. Before we begin, make sure you have your whitewashed wooden box with a half a brick of well-soaked floral foam ready to go in the liner. Like usual, the order of insertion will go from the largest to the smallest of blooms. We'll begin with our base, the salal tips, which I love to use due to their deep green fullness and versatility. You'll see them appear in a handful of times across the season's collection. Next, we'll be adding our green button palms. What I like to do is rotate the box. So I'm evenly distributing the flowers. After that, I'll add our hot pink carnations. A fun fact about these flowers are they are allegedly supposed to relieve stress and bring energy. So let's just say when we're finished today, I'll be taking this arrangement home with me. To complement that beautiful pink, we're going to be adding our purple carnations. The use of two different colored flowers really brings movement to this arrangement. Both really pop with the simplicity of the wooden container. Finally, we'll be adding the pink alstroemeria, which have the markings on the inside similar to a tiger stripe. Last but not least, add a little extra water to ensure your design stays fresh for as long as possible. And just like that, next time someone asks you what you're going to bring to the picnic, you can tell them, "Oh, I'm bringing watermelon punch."